Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is on dealing with child's tantrums. So I have a group of circle where almost all the kids are of my daughter's age, and whenever we meet we keep discussing about the things we face, whatever I face, whatever my other friends faces. It made me to make this video for all of you so that it is helpful. So before going forward, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And every Thursday I share some tantrum handling tricks in my shorts section, which is easily available. Please go through that. There are many videos, some easy tips, which is definitely gonna help you. See, when it comes to tantrums, it is part of their overall development. You know what? If our children are throwing tantrum, actually we should be happy because developments are building up according to their age. But what happens is we are also human beings, and with so many things already trapped in us, it is very difficult in this busy, hectic life to deal with those tantrums. The first tip which I'm gonna give you is whenever your child is throwing a tantrum, which I do is keep telling yourself that my child doesn't is not doing it purposely. My child is not doing it purposely. Keep repeating this thing in your mind. Maybe for few days, weeks, it will be difficult for you, but yes, it works. It has worked with me. So when I saw my daughter's sudden change when she's turned 2, then after turning 3, there are mountain of tantrums. But when I keep telling this thing to myself, no, very I'm very good at handling the tantrum. So I keep telling this thing, okay, she doesn't know, she is not doing it purposely. So this helps a lot. Other than that, when your day is very exhausted or you're feeling low, or you are like कि यार इतने सारे तो दिन में इतना कुछ हो गया है, then this tantrum I'm like कि how I'm gonna handle it, then just take three long breaths and stay silent for some time. Or maybe just leave your child in one room, and if you have any other family members, leave your child with them, go to another room and just lock yourself for 5-10 minutes, take some breaths or listen to some song and just change the mood. It really works. It really works. So what happens is we are also human beings, and the way we have seen how our parents have handled all these things, so this thing you should easily come to us कि यार ये क्यों इतना टेंशन कर रहा है यार, इसको एक सुनाई देती हूँ तभी इसको समझ में आएगा. But that is not the way it happens actually. So distracting ourselves from that moment helps us to control our anger, or just taking some calm breaths, or drinking water, or chanting om, which helps, which I tell my daughter also when she feels very angry, because that is also part of her overall development, to chant om, and or listen to some Buddhism chants or any om chants on your phone. It really helps. Also, one thing which I have been started doing it lately is whatever happens throughout the day, whatever tantrum she throws, I deal with it at that moment. And then during the bedtime, if I feel that she did something which she should not have, I talk about it. So bedtime is the time when children are also calm down, and they know that it's time to go to sleep. And after the lights are off, we talk about the day, what we did, what we ate, and then I talk about the her tantrums also. For example, your child threw a tantrum in the day, and something he it slipped from his or her mouth. But don't get angry because he or she didn't say that word. They have heard it at your home. Maybe you have told, or maybe your spouse or any of your family member have uttered that thing in any conversation or in any argument, and your child has picked up that word from them. So don't get angry. So at that moment, just tell them that this is not the way to behave. We'll talk about it and with that tantrum. And during the bedtime, just talk about it. okay, listen, so during the day when you got very angry, so you told this word, so we know now, so this is not a correct word, this is a bad word. So if you hear someone else also speaking that word in our family, just tell them that please don't speak such words. So this is the way you connect with your child and talk about it. So in the heat of the moment, if you tell your child, if you try to correct your child's behavior, this is not going to happen. They will repeat that thing more. So take our example. If we are very frustrated, if you are very angry, and someone has come and we are in the middle of an argument, and someone is has and someone is coming and just giving us ज्ञान कि नहीं नहीं ये सब नहीं बोलना है, आप क्यों बोल रहे हो this that, just think what you will feel. You will get more irritated, right? You'll be like यार ये क्यों नहीं मेरे को ज्ञान दे रहा है, मैं already frustrated हूँ. So same happens with your child. So we'll have to understand what our children are going through in that tantrum phase. We'll have to think in the way they are thinking, and that's how we'll have to deal with the tantrum. So when they throw tantrums, they are not able to regulate the emotions. They are still learning. We know, we adults know, we know our emotions name. We know when we are sad, when we are angry, when we are frustrated, when we are happy. But they are still learning, and for them anger or crying is the only way to express their emotions. Mostly when they are frustrated, they show their anger. And don't label your child. It's not good. Don't label your child, and that too in front of your child. It's not correct. It will stay in their mind, and they will also think about themselves like that. Okay, I'm a very angry child. Okay, I get angry very easily, and maybe they will also start behaving like that. So yeah, parenting is very very challenging. And the way, and I keep telling this thing in all my videos, the way we were raised is totally different than the way we are raising our children, because the world is changing. And considering so many mental health issues at this age, my mission is to aware parents, uh, to raise children with less and less traumas. So let's be the change maker, and let's help our children to understand themselves more. And for that, we will have to work on ourselves, because if we are not happy about ourselves, our children cannot be happy. So that's what I wanted to share. And if you want to know more, you can connect me in the comment section. You can also follow my Instagram page. I'll share the link on description, and you can DM me over there if you have any questions. Also, I take one-on-one parenting workshops. So if you want the link to that, please comment and I'll share you the link. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.